Hello everyone, welcome to Gochi Academy's creative art activity for children. So this is going to be another activity where we can use the art materials which is available in our house. So let's just go ahead and find out what we have in our video today. So for today's activity, all you need is a fork and a tissue paper with a little bit of texture on it and a normal sheet, and I have this flat brush as always I say for the background, and I'm just going to give a nice background first. So the tissue paper is addition to my background. If you like, you can use it, or you don't actually have to use it. You can just stop with the regular background for the initial process. Bit of yellow, and here it is. So I'm just going to take this tissue paper and just push it over this so that it is just going to observe the texture on the tissue paper. Look at this. So this is beautiful, the prints from the tissue paper. It's very simple but looks so beautiful here. And make sure you use the back side of your fork. Right now I'm using the big one, but if you want you can use the small one. And here we go. Just give a little bit of a press. I'm just trying to make a little kind of a flower pot, but you can do anything with this. You can always explore or do anything with it. These look so beautiful, just like a small beautiful blue lily. And I have this small brush here, which I'm just going to use it to draw the stem of these flowers. And so I'm just going to keep this here so that you can see what all the colors I have here. Yep. So this is something additionally I'm adding. As I tell you, you can always miss this or do anything different. It's all about how you want to explore your artwork. So feel free and keep your hands so free and just try to explore different kind of colors. Try to explore different color combinations, something weird. I'm just going to take a little bit of yellow to make it little light in this green shade, and I'm just going to make a kind of grass. So just some strokes would give you something different in your work rather than just leaving it like that, because I don't have a flower pot today. So look at this. Isn't this beautiful? Hope you have enjoyed this. So most of my videos involves art material which is available in your house. I'm not going to give you any videos where you need to go for a shopping. So I'm just going to tell you all the simplest version. So I have just used a fork today. You can use spoons and other art materials that you find in your house. So try exploring, as I always say, and I'll see you on my next video. Until then, thank you very much and bye bye from Meenatchi Gopal.